Today's video is very unorganized, like it's all over the place, so beware.
A wild homie with 500,000 on me. Going to the jeweler, but the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah.
Yes, we're gonna try the Travis Scott meal from McDonald's.
I am not, because McDonald's is canceled.
Yeah, we're gonna go try that in 3 seconds, so we'll see you guys there. We're getting McDonald's, the Travis Scott meal.
Can I get the 2 Travis Scott meal? Yes.
So guys, we got 2 Travis Scott meals and it was $26, which is kind of weird because $26, like damn, you know? We thought it was gonna be $6 because it said $6. Ashley is super pretty. So this is how the Travis Scott burger looks. Thumbnail. Hey guys, so we're about to get in the pool, as you guys can see.
I'm gonna hit you with Nen.
Boy, if you don't get...
So today is my best friend's birthday and I was feeling extra nice, so I took out my time out of my beautiful, wonderfulest day to make her a cake. So here's that. So this is the cake I made her. Look how beautiful it looks. Oh my god. Okay, now open your present. I just showed her the fried Oreos that I made her. Okay, go ahead.
Don't look at it.
Go. It's okay. It's covered. Love the gift. I wanted it. I wanted it really bad. Do you love it?
I love it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Bro.
It's fucking cute, huh?
I'm gonna open it in front of everybody.
Yes, you should.
Wait, what the fuck? Oh, I found it.
You did not know how to put it on.
No, I didn't put it on right.
We posted, people are gonna think it's racist because we're like,
How is it racist? I just
because we're using wigs and black people names.
Okay, but I didn't think about it like that. So you're racist. I didn't thought about it like that.
We did not think about it like that.
We are the Keishas.
My name is Goldilocks.
My name is
Blue head ass.
and now
Stephanie.
we're gonna go fight people.
My name is Blue head ass.
And I'm gonna fight this bitch.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. That hurt.
I obviously won.
She pulled my hair.
So I just dragged her.
We've gone. Obviously, I won.
I won. That dumb redhead is lying.
This bitch's weave got snatched like this.
Bitch! No, I was on right. Go!
Stop jumping!
Go!
No, you made me mad.
Does it look like I care? Go! Celeste, push her! Oh, that looked like it hurt.
Yes, she's like really hot.
She snatched the wig! Oh my, she really did that. Get your wig back, bitch. You look like a chef.
If you want, you look like around the block.
Fuck you!
Don't say that.
Wait up, I need to do something. You're busting my face.
That's your
Yes.
Your ass.
Okay. I'm superior, dude. I got up.
How the fuck do you do that shit?
Give me your hand.
Hold on.
What the fuck? My fucking shirt. Oh, you got your dad there.
Your body rolling round and
Hey, I feel like I don't have enough space to jump. Why should I try?
As you can tell, Celeste got really mad and she started putting cake on us, and then this is how we were afterwards. Then I changed and went home.
I remember the first time I ate.
Okay, bye. Mwah.